Did you know medicine ball workouts can slash back pain while sculpting your core? Here's the science behind this game-changing exercise tool. When you throw and catch a medicine ball, your body activates deep core muscles that regular crunches can't reach. These hidden stabilizers form a natural corset around your spine, providing crucial support that can reduce back pain by up to 30%. The dynamic rotational movements challenge your nervous system, teaching your body to move more efficiently and safely in everyday life. Studies show that just 15 minutes of medicine ball training 3 times per week can significantly improve body composition and reduce injury risk. The secret lies in the ball's versatility, from overhead slams that torch calories to Russian twists that target obliques. Each movement engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Ready to transform your workout? Drop a comment below with your favorite medicine ball exercise, or tell us what's holding you back from trying this powerful training tool.